my gosh, dude. Holy crap. I'm a freaking idiot. Unfreaking real. Oh man. Well, this guy right here doesn't want to pose for the camera there, but anyway, there's my first Lake Seminole bass in probably over a year, and caught him just the way I like to catch them. This actually isn't hydrilla, it's milfoil, but I'm not complaining. I don't care what I'm punching. Flipping, punching, pitching, doesn't matter to me as long as I'm catching them like that. Favorite way to catch them. Hey friends, welcome to Lake Seminole. This is the first time that I've been out here in over probably about a year. I'll have to go back and look at my fishing logs, but I know it's been at least a year since I've been on this lake. And you know, I needed a change up from Lake Talcott. At the beginning of the year last year, I told myself I was just going to give Lake Talcott a fair shake, because since I've lived here, I mean, I've only lived here for 3 years now, but since I've lived here, I never really had focused on fishing Lake Talcott at all. I'd fished it sporadically, and I know there's some big ones in there. But shortly after moving here, I came out here and started fishing Lake Seminole, and honestly, since I had started fishing it, it's been really hard for me to get away from it, because I don't know, I really like this lake. It's pretty unique. And I also like flipping and punching heavy cover. There's no better lake that I've been to where you can do it all day long. I came out here today kind of really just as doing a little bit of reconnaissance, because like I said before, I haven't been on this lake in over a year. And you know, this is a grass lake, and the grass changes a lot year to year. Sometimes it doesn't always grow back the same. So I was thinking about starting to fish this lake more and give Lake Talcott a rest, maybe just for the winter time, or heck, I might just come out here and fish Lake Seminole all the time. So anyway, since I wasn't going to fish a full day, I really just decided to come out here on Lake Seminole and try a few spots, see how the grass is set up, and you know, kind of maybe get back in the groove to fish in Lake Seminole. We'll see what happens. You know, one of the other reasons why I started fishing Lake Talcott last year is because I was starting to have some shoulder problems. I've been through 2 bouts of physical therapy so far. So we'll see how my shoulder holds up. If my shoulder can hold up for all the flipping and everything like that, then I'll probably continue to fish this lake. And if not, then I'll always fish Lake Talcott, which, I mean, heck, that's not a bad lake either. Either lake is still a better rated lake than any lake I've ever fished before in my life. Anyway, I don't want to sit here and run my jaws all day. I want to get back to fishing. I'll keep you guys updated and hopefully show you some fish catches. Gosh. Dude. Folks, and that's why you come to Lake Seminole right there. I'm telling you. That is why you come to Lake Seminole. That is one long, skinny bass right there. Look at the mouth on this thing compared to the body on it. Crazy. Pretty sure that's the juice. Nice one. Man, they are just long and skinny back in here. Look at that, folks. Just another freaking solid bass right there. There we go, another skinny bass. Kind of makes me wonder if maybe some of these bass got up in here and spawned or whatever within the past week or so. I mean, that's where the temperatures were, and you know, sometimes these bass down here in Florida, they will spawn early. But that's interesting. It's got a little mark on him right there where maybe a bird tried to get to him. Look at that, just they're all just really long and skinny. I don't know if you'll be able to see by the replay or not, but I mean, this bass right here absolutely clobbered that bait. Absolutely clobbered it. I mean, it felt like there was a baseball bat underneath there, and somebody hit that bait with a baseball bat. All right, folks, we're going to go ahead and get go ahead and check these 2 bass out that I caught, get some pictures, and then get a weight on both of them, see how we did. There we go. That's what you come to Lake Seminole for right there. Alright, so this first one looks like he's got a dang brim down his throat, or a shiner or something. There's a tail in there. See that right there? He's 4.45, right around 4.5. Go ahead and let this one go. This one here is, I don't know if you can see that, but we'll call it 4.7. I mean, it's bouncing around, but looks like it's going to average out around 4.7 pounds. Right there. Alright. Let's let this one go. Whew, I'll tell you what, that water is cold, folks. 50 degrees is what I'm reading. 50 degrees. Well, that was a surprise. That little guy just bit. He bit it and just quit. I set the hook and I thought I was pulling in weeds because he just stopped fighting. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Alright folks, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the clip right there. I might do a little more fishing on the way back to the ramp if I find something that I can't resist, but I'm probably going to run out of daylight here soon, so I don't want to get caught in the dark without at least doing an outro. But anyway, as you can see, this was a pretty successful day for, you know, not even fishing the whole day. I mean, heck, even if I would have came out here and spent all day on the lake, it would have been a good day of winter fishing. I don't know if you guys saw it right there at the end. I didn't have my stupid chesty cam on, and I lost a really big one right there at the boat. I didn't know what I had on at first. I mean, it was hard to move. It was hard to move that fish. And it got up next to the boat and I saw it. It was at least a 6-pounder at a bare minimum. I want to say it was probably even bigger than that, but I don't want to be cliche and talk about, you know, the real big one that got away. But it was at least a 6-pounder, and I'm pretty upset that I didn't get a chance to get on that one, and it was all because I didn't have my net ready. I wasn't ready, so 100% my fault. And that was on a chatterbait, by the way. Everything else I caught today, as you could see, I caught punching. And a lot of what I was punching was, you know, matted vegetation. It wasn't all hydrilla. I found some matted up milfoil. I'll punch whatever kind of vegetation they want to get in. It doesn't matter to me. But overall, a very successful day. I caught 2 that were over 4. You know, it looked like quite a few that were like in the 2-pound range. And then I caught some little ones. Anyway, hey, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the trip that I did here. But hey, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, if you learned anything, go down and hit that like button. And if you'd like to follow me along on my fishing adventures, hit that subscribe button. I plan on putting out content on a weekly basis. You guys take care, and we'll see you next time.